Hi guys, so we are back again, and I was telling you about this four seasons, and which I was trying to tell you the annual cycle. What happens in this annual cycle? See, the passing of the year can be marked as a change in the weather and the surrounding environment. So, what happens during around us? The weather, the climate gives us the seasons we come to know when it's going to be spring, when it's going to be summer, when it's going to be autumn, when we can very verily signify it in characteristics of it and can see the changes in the world which is happening. So now, how does it happen in the spring? What happens in the spring? Seeds takes root, vegetation begins to grow, the weather is warmer and often wetter. Animals wake or return from warmer climates to the colder climates, often with newborns. Melting snow from the previous season along with increased rainfall can cause flooding along waterways. Okay, this is normally happens in spring. I can just give you the basic idea right now. In summer, temperatures may increase to their hottest of the year. If they spike too high, heat waves or droughts may cause trouble for people. Animals die, plants also don't grow properly. Okay, rainfall may increase in some areas as well, others may receive less water. Forest fires happen. So this is about summer. What happens in autumn or fall of temperatures again? Again in autumn, what happens? The temperatures go down after the summer time. Plants may grow again. Small plants start growing. Animals might prepare themselves for the upcoming cold weather, storing food or traveling to warmer regions. Various cultures have celebrated harvest, annual festivals, Thanksgiving. We have all type of celebrations during this autumn season. Winter brings in the cold part. Now, some areas may experience snow, ice, while others see only cold rain. Okay, animals find ways to warm themselves and may have changed their experience to adopt. In similar winter festivals are there. We have Christmas, we have Diwali, we have quite a lot of. We have the Durga Puja, and all this happens between October and November. Okay, and then the cold weather increases, the temperature decreases and it becomes more colder. So this is all about winter, but we enjoy the winter season as well. Okay, and then we have locations. So locations and all, we don't have it in the book right now, so I don't want to go into that. So we'll keep it till here, and you will be able to do it for yourself. Like in the book we have here, I have given you all the questions and all. There are few word meanings which you can do here. The true and false, everything is given to you. So now please study and do it properly and make sure you don't make any mistakes while doing it, so that you don't have any problem. Okay, so read through the chapter properly. I'm telling you once again, keep on reading properly so that you don't make any mistakes. Revise, see what you have done, take a break. Suppose you see my video, I don't know if you are seeing it, but if you see it, see, you are seeing my video, you go through it, you listen to it. If you are not able to understand, you go to the notes part. I have put up notes there. Today's notes, season notes also I'm going to put up for you, so that you can understand. It will be there in the download section. You can listen to the video and read the notes as well. The explanation is going to be the same somewhat. Yes, it has to be the same, and it is the same. And take a break, study for 1 hour, take a break, have some fun, play your video games, come back again. Okay, just relax, don't take stress, because you already have stress. You are staying inside the home, you are not able to see. It's very difficult for children. For children like you, it's going to be very difficult. I understand that you are not able to go out, you are not able to play, but some of you are playing outside, which is not good right now. You have to keep a social distancing and keep yourself healthy. You don't want to get affected, I mean infected. So, and if you get infection of this corona, which is going to be very fatal for you, which I don't want. I love you guys, and you are the best children ever possible I have met in my lifetime. You guys are very good, so keep that. And also, I have not traveled off. I could have gone off before the school. There was a holiday at that time, but I didn't go, so I wanted to stay back and be with you guys. And bad luck, even though I wanted to go, I couldn't because of this corona. But it's been a great experience, and I'm here with you. I'm able to share my classes with you, my information with you, and I don't want to teach like this. It's not possible to teach, but I can share information with you, okay, so that you can learn, so that be in touch with it, okay. I want you to be in touch with it and be good, listen to your parents, don't fight with your brothers and sisters, eat properly, sleep properly, and study at the same time and have fun, because I am again telling you, I don't know you guys, you must be knowing me, so this is a new class for me as well. You are a new batch and I hope to get to know you soon, but we can get to know each other if you put in messages on the group. I'll come to know all of you part by part, one by one, so that will be great. So we are done with 3 chapters here, okay. So the 3 chapters which we did are as follows: our earth, continents and oceans. I have given you the question answers. Imaginary lines, latitude and longitude, I have given you explanation, I have given you notes, I have given you everything. Movements of the earth, we have done. So 3 chapters we have done here, okay. So now what I am going to do is, I am going to start with freedom and struggle, or we'll go to the communication, natural disasters, heritage of coming of the British. We have all that. So 11 chapters we have in geography, and history we have quite a few. We'll look into that, so don't worry. So we'll go step by step. So let's go as far as we can with geography and let's see what we can do. So don't worry, I am there. You have the group. Once again, I'm telling you, if you have any issues, please drop a message, type a message. Ronin sir, I need this help. Immediately I will get in touch and send you a video and regarding to solve your issues, okay. If you have any questions, please do go ahead, don't hesitate. I am 24/7 there for you. So basically from 9 in the morning till 5 in the evening, I am always online on my phone. You can get me, okay. Even after that, if you type in a message in the group, I see it automatically. The next day I'm going to go ahead and solve it for you, okay. So don't worry, I am there. So best of luck, study well and go through these chapters. If you have any issues, please let me know, okay. And take care of yourself, be good, be at home, and after your studies do whatever you want, okay guys. Best of luck and take care. Bye bye.